What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk, I couldn't get it, to give me price. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I don't get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise. For my city gone. You know be run from who you are. And waiting go be man is cast in stone. But do below long power sandu. But why the titi no be sham you. I do below long to come here. Can imagine that they shake them on you. Oh you alone. My mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blind. So nice because you love me. Yeah, they can do me. Now say man no face, vibe to pay. These kind of things in a life.
July. My friend is graduating and I'm currently in Birmingham, so I'm going to Reuniting. And yeah, basically I don't even know what to say, but yeah, I'm just here to celebrate with her. And basically the main reason
this West Midlands Railway service or Rugeley Trent Valley.
The
The
main
next stop will be Escott Stadium.
reason I actually came here is to take a graduation picture because I have a camera, of course. So let's see what I can do with it. Fingers crossed I'm able to do something nice and cute because it's a graduation, so it's quite nerve-wracking because I don't know if I'll do a good job, if I'll do a bad job, whatever it is. I'm going back tomorrow morning though, so I got her flowers. I don't know if she'll like it though because I just didn't want to have an excuse of not buying her something, and I bought her perfume at the airport because there was really no, I don't have any option. I worked yesterday, so I did not really have
We
the
are now
time.
approaching Escott Stadium.
I did not have the time to shop
Please
for
mind the gap
anything
when leaving
and
the
stuff.
train and step onto
yeah,
the platform
guys,
before removing heavy
These
luggage
things
and
were
pushchairs.
sticking me. But yes, you guys watch and enjoy. And if I can talk, I'll talk. But yeah, I'm almost at bus station. Sorry, I'm almost at the last stop, and then I'm almost at the last stop, and then from there I'll take a cab to a house and we can start from there. I'll show you guys. I've known her since the last time I saw her was like, I think 2017 or 20, I can't remember. I think 2017 there about. That was the last time I saw her. So but we've been pretty cool. We talk a lot, like we talk literally every day. So yeah, hi guys.
Only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only baby you're mine.
How are you? Me mo you like it, ba? Say me.
I look
Hey boy, you know, don't worry, you're about to glow up. You are.
All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. But girl, I wanna hold on you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, focus on me, focus on me.
Hi guys, so we are going for Louis' graduation. How do you feel?
I'm so happy. I feel like I'm going to get married. Like my husband is waiting for me. I feel like I'm late for like my civil wedding.
Oh my goodness, and you look good by the way. I'm going to show you the full outfit, guys. I will get to where we're going.
Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to know things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you when you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it.
Now which kind life way I never see. I carry God so I cannot. Steady increase in the commas. Original no be part of me. You know be clear for your memory. But then now we was come back.
The amount of cash I have paid. Okay.
Snapchat, Lele, YouTube, Lele.
Okay.
Clock it. Yeah, graduates. Me tell film bit mo ti yen photo e. Wo ba she clean. Come on, we fine. We fine like
Clock it, graduate.
clock it. On chocolate.
Even life in my fire, burning bright. It's in the inside. Oh, he will my fear. I know I will. So they go find get balance. Everything inside my mind.
Take your seat. My camera is in your car. Not to do your first time, that's like the same week. You're supposed to have same. I got mine. And because I've been wearing mine is now after a while since getting standard, so it's just cut it. Because I've been wearing, I've had it for a long time.
Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you by, yeah, if you leave, I'm strong.